Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of feeling stressed and overwhelmed during festivals? We have the solution for you. In this video, we will share 10 festive hacks that will save you both time and money, allowing you to enjoy a stress-free celebration. So let's define it. Hack number 1: plan your menu in advance. By creating a shopping list and sticking to it, you will avoid impulse purchase and save money on unnecessary item. And hack number 2: take advantage of online shopping. Skip the long lines and crowded store by ordering your decorations and gift from the comfort of your own home. And hack number 3: DIY your decoration. Get creative and save money by making your own festive ornament and centerpiece. Plus, it add a personal touch to your celebrations. And hack number 4: use digital invitation. Save time and money on printing and post by sending out electronic invite for your gatherings. Hack number 5: opt for potluck style meals. Share the load by asking your guest to bring a dish, saving your time and money on preparing an entire feast. And hack number 6: shop for sales and discount. Keep an eye out for special offers and coupon to make the most of your festive shopping. And hack number 7: set a budget and stick to it. Avoid overspending by determining how much you are willing to spend. Be forehead and resist the temptation to impulse. And hack number 8: consider second-hand gift. Thrift store and online marketplace offer unique and affordable personal option while reducing waste. Hack number 9: time management key. Prioritize your task and allocate a specific time slot for each one, ensuring you complete them efficiently. Hack number 10: clean up as you go. By tidying up throughout the celebration, you will save time and avoid a massive cleanup at the end. And there you have it, 10 festive lives hack that will make your celebration a breeze. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more time and money saving ideas. Happy festivals guys. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.